Hi, my name is Aloha and this is my project, my birthday polynomial. The objective of this project is to construct a polynomial and identify the domain, range, y-intercept, minimum and maximum, end behavior, and find all real zeros. I used my birth date to create a polynomial equation for this graph to make it relevant to myself and my life. My birthday is January 12, 2000. I used the numbers of my birthday to create an equation. I used different signs that best matched points in my life that I found relevant. You will notice that I did not use the zeros. If I were to use the zeros, the equation would be a lot longer and would not make sense. The zeros would basically be placeholders that had no meaning. After being able to create this polynomial equation, I plugged it into the calculator and this is the graph that appeared. The domain is a set of all possible x values which will make the function work. The domain of this graph is negative infinity to positive infinity. The range are the output values of a function. The range of this graph is negative 2.222 infinity. The y-intercept is the point on the graph that meets the y-axis or it can be located on the y-axis. The y-intercept of this graph is 0, 0. The minimum and maximum on the graph are the lowest and highest points. The minimum of this graph is negative 1.13, negative 2.222. The maximum of this graph is 0.701, 0.155. The end behavior of a graph is the direction in which the graph is going in. The end behavior of this graph is up and up. The leading coefficient is a positive number, and the highest exponent is an even number. So the end behavior should be up and up. All real zeros, or solutions, are all the points on the graph that are located on the x-axis. Since the highest exponent is 6, there should be 6 solutions for this graph. You will notice that there are only 4 visible solutions on this graph. These real zeros are negative 1.4140, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 1.4140. This must mean that the other 2 solutions are imaginary. I relate this graph to my past years in high school to now. Freshman year, I reached an all-time low after my grandma and auntie passed away. My grades dropped and I was really depressed. Sophomore year, I started to feel better about myself and do better in school. Then my great-grandma and my papa passed away. I started feeling down, but I remembered that I had to keep trying for the better of myself, my future, and my family. Junior year feels so much better and my grades are awesome. This is a representation and connection to my personal life with this graph.